Hey everyone, welcome back to G&D Cars. Today we have something truly special for you, the 2025 Austin Healey 3000. This legendary British sports car is back, and it's better than ever. Known for its timeless elegance, thrilling performance, and a history that stretches back to the golden age of motoring, the 3000 has been reimagined for modern drivers without losing the charm of the original. So, buckle up as we dive into everything you need to know about the 2025 Austin Healey 3000. Let's kick things off by talking about the history of the Austin Healey 3000. First introduced in 1959, the original model was a hit with enthusiasts who loved its blend of power and style. It was a roadster that could easily be used for daily driving or weekend racing, and it became one of the most iconic British sports cars of all time. The 3000 even made its mark in motorsport, particularly in rallying, where it proved to be a formidable competitor. The classic design and performance capabilities of the original have made it a favorite among collectors. Now, fast forward to 2025, and Austin Healey has brought the 3000 back with a fresh twist. This new version maintains the DNA of the original but incorporates modern technology and engineering to offer a car that fits the 21st century while still capturing the essence of the classic. Let's dive into the details. First up, let's talk design. The 2025 Austin Healey 3000 stays true to its heritage with a body that echoes the sleek, curvaceous lines of the original. The low-slung silhouette, long hood, and short rear deck are all nods to the classic 3000. Up front, you'll notice the signature grille, now updated with a more aggressive stance, flanked by modern LED headlights that give the car a distinctive look both day and night. But it's not just a retro design exercise. This new 3000 comes with a fully modern chassis and lightweight aluminum body, improving both its performance and efficiency. The wide rear haunches and muscular proportions hint at the power under the hood, while the 18-inch alloy wheels and optional wire wheels are a modern take on the classic style. The retractable soft top roof also remains, offering drivers the choice between an open-air experience or a closed cabin. Inside, the interior of the 2025 Austin Healey 3000 blends vintage touches with the latest tech. Stepping inside feels like a journey back in time, with supple leather seats, wood accents on the dashboard, and a classic three-spoke steering wheel. However, Austin Healey has equipped the new 3000 with all the modern conveniences drivers expect today. You'll find a digital instrument cluster that maintains an old-school look while offering advanced functionality. A 10-inch infotainment screen sits discreetly in the center console, providing access to navigation, smartphone integration, and media controls. The cabin also features modern comforts like climate control, premium audio, and advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring that this is not just a car for weekend joyrides, but one that can handle daily driving with ease. Despite these modern upgrades, the designers have managed to keep the spirit of the original intact. The analog dials, minimalist layout, and use of high-quality materials make it feel like you're driving a classic car, but with all the reliability and comfort of a modern vehicle. Now, let's get into what really matters: performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Austin Healey 3000 is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, a nod to the original car's six-cylinder engine that made it such a joy to drive. This modern engine produces around 380 horsepower, making the 2025 model significantly more powerful than its predecessor. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifts and quick acceleration. Thanks to the lightweight construction, the 2025 3000 can go from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4.5 seconds, a remarkable feat for a car that still maintains a classic roadster charm. For enthusiasts who crave more control, a manual transmission option is also available, allowing you to really feel connected to the car as you shift through the gears. The rear-wheel drive layout, combined with a well-tuned suspension system, provides a thrilling driving experience with sharp cornering and precise handling. Despite its performance credentials, the new 3000 is surprisingly efficient for a sports car. With modern engine technology and lightweight materials, it manages to achieve respectable fuel economy, making it a car that's as practical as it is exciting to drive. Of course, safety is a priority in any modern car, and the 2025 Austin Healey 3000 is no exception. It comes equipped with a full suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features ensure that you can enjoy the car's performance without compromising on safety. The new 3000 also boasts a 5-star safety rating, which gives drivers peace of mind while cruising in this classic-inspired beauty. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Austin Healey 3000 is its pricing. Considering the car's legacy, performance, and craftsmanship, it's priced competitively in the luxury sports car market. The base model starts at around $120,000, making it more accessible than many high-end sports cars while still offering a unique blend of heritage and modern performance. If you opt for additional packages such as performance upgrades, custom interior options, or the manual transmission, the price can go up to $150,000 for a fully loaded model. At that price point, the 3000 competes with the likes of the Jaguar F-Type, Porsche 911, and even some Aston Martin models. However, what sets the Austin Healey apart is its unique blend of British craftsmanship and classic styling that those other cars can't quite replicate. For collectors and enthusiasts, the 2025 Austin Healey 3000 is more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive history that you can drive today. Whether you're taking it out for a Sunday drive, entering it in a vintage car rally, or simply enjoying its stunning looks, this car is guaranteed to turn heads. The combination of modern performance and timeless design makes it a standout in the crowded sports car market. In conclusion, the 2025 Austin Healey 3000 is the perfect car for anyone who loves the romance of classic British sports cars, but doesn't want to compromise on modern features and performance. It's a car that pays tribute to its past while embracing the future, offering a driving experience that's truly one of a kind. So, what do you think of the 2025 Austin Healey 3000? Let us know in the comments below if this is the kind of car you'd love to see in your garage. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from G&D Cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.